Hi, I'm Ruby Jha. I am a principal engineer and engineering manager working as a full stack engineer. I work on React on UI and Java side on backend and on cloud native applications, etc. So I was looking to transition into AI engineering because I see there's a lot of potential over there. There's a lot of growth opportunity with AI engineering. And so especially I wanted to learn core AI concepts around LLM, its internals, how to use it, where to use this, and all those things. And that is where I found this bootcamp. And everything that I was looking for was there in this bootcamp course. So I really loved the lectures. They were very detailed and thorough. I got to learn a lot of concepts from there. And then I liked the classwork and homework because that gave me a lot of hands-on with proper guidance, like how I should be proceeding with that, etc. And the idea and the concept of creating our own project was the best thing because then could come up with my own idea and I got the guidance to build what I really want to build. That way, not only did I learn what I wanted to learn, but I also built something in which I could use my own prior experiences, my engineering experience of all these years, and whatever I learned during this course. So this was all very helpful and I loved it. So the best result of the bootcamp for me was that I understood all the concepts and with the case studies, etc. I'm confident that I can use this knowledge that I have learned in bootcamp in the real life projects that I need to drive in the corporate world, in my current company or any other company that I work with. The biggest thing is that the knowledge that I have gained here is very practical and something I can apply on any project that I want to drive in any company.